Everyone, and welcome to my first unboxing video. So my name is LauraKay. I am the creator of the Black Business Record. I created it as a response to the need for me to have a curated list for businesses that I could support. In 2019, going into 2020, one of my vows was I was going to buy less, consume less fast fashion, and consume and support a lot more Black designers. But then, given the times, I decided to change my goal and to only buy Black throughout 2020. So I have a bunch of boxes. So I have 5 packages, and they're all a variety of things. The first thing I'm going to start with is this one. Let's dig into it. It is from Bonfire. I'm pretty sure it's a shirt from Markus Prime. I ordered it during the protests because he designed a shirt whose funds were going to go towards the bail funds. So I thought it was going to come with his logo. He usually has a logo printed or a quote printed on the back of his shirts, the name or something like that, or Melanin League, something along those lines. But this doesn't have that. What we're going to dig into is a package from Target. I always wanted to support this brand, but I had too many face products, so I waited for me to finish my face moisturizer, and I'm so happy this is finally here. This is from Black Girl Sunscreen. So I needed to get some new beddings, and I was going to order it directly from the brand, but they are also on Target, and it was cheaper on Target, so I decided to get it from Target. And I remembered that I also wanted to get some Black Girl sunscreen, so I went ahead and got that. I'm really excited about this because sunscreen usually leaves like a weird white residue on my face, and it ends up making me look ashy, but this promises to not be the case. So I am going to sample it and then I'll show you. Okay, so I put a little bit on my arm. Now I'm gonna rub it in. And let's see what happens if it blends. Oh, it's gone. It like literally just fades into my skin, and it feels so soft. It smells like sunscreen. It doesn't smell like cocoa butter or anything, or shea butter. It smells just like sunscreen. The active ingredients are avobenzone, monosalat oxy. I can't pronounce any of this, so I'm just gonna stop. But on the monosalat oxy, I can't pronounce any of this, so I'm just gonna stop. But on the front, it does say it's water resistant, it lasts up to 80 minutes, and it's ultra sheer with no white residue, fragrance free, so in case you're allergic to fragrance, this would be perfect for you. And it's infused with jojoba and avocado, broad spectrum, SPF 30. Okay, and you can also use this for your body, so it's for face and body. How many ounces? It is 3 ounces. Okay, so this should last me a while. This is a lot. This is probably going to last me up until the end of summer. Let's get into the next package. This is also from Target. Look at how big this box is. I'm pretty sure this is my bedding, and this is from Justina Blakeney. I was going to get this from her website, but I decided to get it from Target because we had the exact same thing and it was cheaper, or more affordable, I should say. Here we go. It's a big quilt for a queen size bed. Oh, I'm so excited. I've wanted new bedding for a while. I also like the packaging, and I like that it has a little bit about her on the back. It says Justina Blakeney is a designer, artist, and mama with a bohemian heart. For Justina, decorating is about living free and having fun and getting a little bit wild. So the fabric content for this is 100% cotton. The filling is also 100% cotton, and it is machine washable. This is what it looks like. Actually, I'm gonna open this up and take this out of the plastic bag. I did not have to rip the side. There was tape on the back. Here we go. This is what it's gonna look like. My bed is much smaller than that. My bed is a full, but this is for a full/queen. So I'm excited to use this. Next package. This, I believe, is from Curlbox. It does say it's from Curlbox on the top, so let's get into it. I think I got this when I needed stuff for my face too, because I run out of face wash and face moisturizer, so I needed something new. And luckily, Curlbox was doing their first face subscription box. I got in a package from them. This is very unlike them. I've never seen this before. Seeing that the package is like almost like there's water damage on it. Their packages are usually perfect. And so let's open it up. Oh, I see what happened. So the face toner was open, and so it spilled out. That's really painful. That's sad. I'm probably going to send them a message about that. Take a picture and send it to them. But yeah, that is very, very painful. And there's also usually something that tells me a little bit about the brand. I don't see one in here. That's okay. So this is a turmeric deep cleansing smoothing. It doesn't say what it is. Deep cleansing smoothing face wash. It's face wash. It says it up there. Face wash. Turmeric is really good for skin. I used to have the turmeric scrub, so I'm very excited to use this. I don't think this brand is Black owned, but that's okay. This is a moisturizing bar hand made soap made with essential oils, anti-aging and antioxidant properties. And once again, it's turmeric and oh, it has aloe vera extracts in it and perfume. Let's see how it smells. It smells good. It just smells like turmeric and some other things, but it's not as bright or as orangey and yellow. It doesn't have that much color. Let me look at the face wash too. Oh, this is sealed. Oh, this face wash does have like a little yellow tint. Let's see if you can see that. I'm gonna squeeze everything. There we go. So we have the cream, same thing. Oh, I'll pick that up later. Let's see. Oh, this one is not yellow. It just looks more creamy and it feels really good. This is perfect too because I use oil on my skin, but it's summertime now. Oh, it feels so good. It just blends in nicely. It's summertime, and whenever I use oil on my skin during the summer, I tan, which is surprising because I didn't know I could tan, but I just found out recently that I tan. This is cream, and this is lotion. Let's see the difference. I'm sure lotion is a lot more liquidy. It's not as thick as the cream, which is fine still because I'll take either or. Anything that keeps me nice and clean and not ashy. I have some turmeric face mask, anti-aging. I can't wait to try this. Cool. So I'm going to send a message to Curlbox and see what they say about my face my rose water toner, but it was gone. Okay, my last and final package, I got this from LauraKay Innovations. It is a company that sells cleaning products, you know, in my bid to be all black. It was a little bit expensive, the entire package. Let's see how much is on the product slip. It cost me about $45 and the shipping was free, so that's okay. I don't mind paying a little bit more and supporting a black business, okay? No matter how expensive it is. If I can afford it, I'm gonna do it. So this is their product sheet. I love that they put my full name on it. I appreciate that. Let me show you guys how beautiful this looks. I absolutely love that it's well arranged, everything is tightly sealed, and nothing spilled out. Let's dive into this. First things first, it says what's inside. We have one Oxy Variation 5-in-1 germ virus stain odor fighting kit with FDA approved hand sanitizer. This includes Oxy Variation 64 ounce with the refill tunnel, premium microfiber cloth, clean variation, everyday concentrated green cleaner, unscented, and 2 hand sanitizers, FDA approved. This is amazing because strange times, you always need your hand sanitizers. So this is the germ fighting hydroperoxide based green cleaner, and it says it can be used on all surfaces. I'm going to read through the ingredients to see if there's anything crazy. It says it's made with the power of hydrogen peroxide. Oxy Variation is an environmentally responsible multi-use cleaner that removes stains, fight germs, bad odors, and cleans, powerful enough to fight germs with its gentle lavender scent. Ooh, I like the smell of lavender. You can also use this for, door handles, shower tubs, organic waste, food stains, blood stains, stink stains, sink stains, countertops, fabric, cooktops. It seems like you can use this for everything. Pet waste, sweat and stains, mold and mildew, glass stains, car seats, spot cleaning, tile and grout, gym wear. That's interesting. Let's smell. Oh, it smells good. I like it. Okay. We have the same thing. This is the multi-surface spray, but I believe it's the same thing. And this is a refill. The first bottle was a refill bottle. So we got 2 of these, and then we got 1 of this so far. What's the label? There we go. And we have hand sanitizer. It will kill 90% of all germs, non-scented. Let's see. Oh, it's locked. Unlock this. I swear this thing is like rocket science. Ugh. I don't want to break it. About this one, same thing. It's all child locked. I'll open it up because this smells more like soap than it feels like hand sanitizer. And this is the hand sanitizer, it says. Yeah, still doesn't smell. It doesn't have a lot of alcohol in it. Says active ingredient is benzalkylene chloride. If you can read that, good luck. And that's that. Okay. It also comes with a pair of gloves and premium microfiber cloth. That's amazing. So it says re-rinse, then wring dry before you use. Test for color fastness. Reusable and washable, machine safe. Perfect. And then it comes with a funnel. And I believe this funnel is to refill my bottle with this. So thank you guys, and thank you for checking out my first unboxing video. I didn't get all of this at once. I did get them over a period of time. I would say I got them over a month, and I just finally got around to opening them today. I'm very excited to wear my Markus Prime shirts with some nice cycling shorts. It is summer, and I am very excited and happy that I don't need to go buy lotion because Curlbox has provided me with creams and lotions for the summer, so my skin can stay luscious and hydrated during the summer and without me getting a tan from using oil. So that's all for today, guys. Thank you very much for tuning into my first unboxing video. I'm looking forward to doing more, and feel free to go to my YouTube channel. I have a bunch of sewing videos. I know it has nothing to do with unboxing, but if you do like to sew and you are interested in fashion, I would advise you to hit the subscribe button and watch out for all my pattern drafting and sewing videos.